recording?
Yo, what's up, noise complaints? Okay, so, yeah, it's ready. Ready, get started. It's already starting. Yeah.
We go.
That's super.
I don't know why this is impressive.
It's glow stick. Get out of the shot, CJ.
It's a magic glow stick.
Yep.
Hey, Kogan.
Stop! You're making the earth shake.
Hey, Kogan.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm done.
Oh, hi.
try this?
Hi.
No, no. Hey, that,
You party food. Dakota, take my camera.
I'm not allowed fire types. Remember, I'm a grass and water. I'm a grass and poison type. I meant
Hey, look,
so.
it's ready.
Oh, it's Jabunyan.
Margarita mix.
Oh, I love me some margaritas. I'm Russian, so of course I love alcohol.
I don't see why this is impressive, but apparently it is.
I swear to God, do not throw it. Look what you did now.
No, I'm not.
Mom, he's throwing
I've
it.
been doing this for many years.
No, you haven't. Okay, give it to me. Give it to me. I want to try.
Okay,
Here,
I'm
I'll
done.
take-
I'm done filming. See ya.
Okay, you ready? I'm going to
I'll
film.
both.
No, I'll film it from my view. What was just...
Boys, alright, let's rip that cardboard up and get it in here so we get it burned.
All right, Mommy. Try to make it fire, though.
Folding. No wonder it went red.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you can't see it. Screw you, darkness. I'm throwing this in the fire, by the way.
No!
Yeah,
Throw it in there, buddy. Good job.
it's dead. It's dead. That's the last of we ever see of the Pyro Masters.
Rip down more, son. I don't know what you're thinking. That's
Yep.
bigger than the fire pit.
Okay, well, stupid noise complaints. I am going to end this stupid video and get noise complaints. I'll record it once the cops come.
Hashtag noise complaints.
Yeah, hashtag noise complaints to my 6 subscribers.
Mom, my voodoo stick's gone.
Bye, retard.